Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time coming to my channel, please consider to press that red button right there that said subscribe, and also press the notification bell so you will be the first somebody to be notified anytime, any day I upload a new video here in this channel. So guys, my name is Emmanuel Judy. Welcome back to Emmanuel Judy YouTube channel. If today is your first time, as I earlier say, don't fail to press that red button that says subscribe, so and turn up the notification bell as I earlier said, guys. So you all are welcome back to my YouTube channel. You all are amazing, you all are so beautiful. So guys, today tori na about Regina Daniel again. Regina Daniel finally has called wife, which is Morocco. Yeah, the Morocco woman here, which is the number 50 woman, don't cry come out, don't talk come out, say come open Regina Daniel secrets, all those things may be say Regina Daniel they keep. He say all of them na lie, all of them na lie. Regina Daniel they lie. Una know say about some weeks ago, now let me say almost 1 month, they come first talk say they see one lady, he come for UK, he dey Mr. Nate house, he dey do things, he dey use the things maybe say Regina Daniel they use, he dey drive the car maybe say Regina Daniel they drive the cars maybe say Mr. Nate who co-wives, then they drive, say the woman come they ride the cars. So people come they say, this lady na Mr. Nate won't call severed wife abi what. So from there now Regina Daniel come out say that lady say na just her friends, say hey, not be nothing like that, say her husband no dey marry anybody, all those kind of things. So my beloved people, now so the matter can take die there. So right now they come with another woman come again right now, maybe say Mr. Nate won't call say now this one he won't marry, say he go marry this one and he go add down to the wife, say hey, he go add down to the wife, say then all the wife know say he come from polygamy, he na polygamy man, say he's entitled to marry any woman he wants to marry, say he loves children very well, say all of the wife know say he go marry again. He could be Regina Daniel, say Regina Daniel's matter and he matter Nate won't cause, say those two names now they may be say it no go end, na everlasting story, na be the story of him and Regina Daniels, which is Ritza's daughter. So now, so my beloved people, now so Mr. Nate won't go talk for interview. He say make them wait, make them see what will happen in future. Say he's going to marry another woman again and add to his wife. So my beautiful people, now so this latest lady now maybe say Mr. Nate won't go don't introduce, come and say he won't marry her. So this lady now, it's like it's still from Africa, but not Nigeria ladies, not Nigeria woman. But the woman not too young again. They grow something like that. Hey, don't they grow small? You don't even grow reach that kind of Daniel stage, which is Mama Regina Daniel. Maybe Mama Regina Daniel senior the lady small. So my beautiful people, so right now the lady now and Mr. Nate won't code, they don't they take picture, catch form together, do things together. So right now we say the next story now be say This lady may be say Regina Daniel talk say na her friend, so this seventh wife, so maybe say Regina Daniel talk say na her best friend, so say no be wife, no be wife to Mr. Nate Nwoko, say no be seventh wife to Mr. Nate Nwoko. So right now the story may dey there come be say when this lady come post picture Regina Daniel may talk say the lady na her friend, no be Mrs. Nate Nwoko seventh wife, no be seventh wife to Nate Nwoko, say no be Mrs. Nwoko. So right now, so this lady may be say the Morocco wife may be say e no even come out come talk say the lady na her friend, e no know am before, that one no just bother to come out come dey address the issue say the lady na her friend. So that one come comment, he come put love, the symbol of love, he come put am for there. So Regina Daniel may talk say the lady na her best friend, na her friend, na e come na driver maybe say they take am come out. Regina Daniel no write anything, no post anything, no like the picture, e no put anything for there. But this one may be say e no even come out come address the issue say na say na her friends or no be her friend. This one come comment. So right now, na so the matter come take sup, na so the matter come take happen between Regina Daniel and his co-wife. The co-wife right now come open his secret, all those things maybe say he hide for there, maybe say people no dey know. Regina Daniel right now, the co-wife don expose her come out say na lie, na Regina Daniel dey lie say this wife, so make the newly dey come say Regina Daniel no accept the wife as the way he accept Regina Daniel. Una know say that Morocco wife, so when Regina Daniel really come Mr. Nate Nwoko family, come marry to Mr. Nate Nwoko, become the sixth wife of Mr. Nate Nwoko, that lady really accept Regina Daniel, take her close to herself. He do things to Regina Daniel, he share love with Regina Daniel, nothing like hatred. But this one na make dey come Regina Daniel, e no gree. My people, una no see am so, shey una don see am so. If to say Regina Daniel marry Oleyo husband, e no go be like that, shey una see am so. But this Morocco wife now, she can't accept Regina Daniel. But right now, Regina Daniel no accept another somebody again, accept another woman again. Maybe probably the man be telling her say he no go marry another woman again, na he go be the last bus stop for him. Maybe that is it, my country people, maybe that is it, my beloved people. So right now, it's like say Rita Daniel really sabi lie well. Na him teach Regina Daniel how to lie. Since so I don't know whether na him teach her how to lie, I don't know. But the truth be say right now, say you come marry the man, you mean say the man get 5 wives before, then you now come in, but you be think say the man go stop. Regina Daniel, I really pity for you. See the way you can't even say lean, Regina. See the way you can't tell me. Regina Daniel don't leave finish. He don't leave finish. Regina Daniel don't leave. No, I know say a lot of people go they say, why not they discuss about Regina Daniel for internet? Anywhere you see for social media, may you not go meet Regina Daniel's story. You know they and Mr. Nate's story. You know they. Now they full all social media. Now then they go. Now then they YouTube. Now then they everywhere. It could be BBC self, they don dey carry Regina Daniel news. Nothing he do make they keep for privacy, nothing like private life, nothing, my beautiful people, at all, nothing. Nothing at all. As right now, as I dey see right now, it's like say no be even 7th wife again Mr. Nate dey expect again. Mr. Nate Nwoko dey welcome number 8 wife. He wan add number 8 wife to his wife. right now, as me and you dey here they talk about this issue right now. So my beautiful people, my lovely people, so just leave your comment down there below and tell me what you think about this whole issue. I dey bring out this issue so that other people go use and learn. I dey bring out this issue so that other people go dey use and dey learn. My people, others go dey use and dey learn, dey pick something from it. This life, e really not easy. Money is not everything. This life, my people, money is not everything. Money is not everything. Nothing like when you get peace and happiness for your life. The life na battlefield. E really not easy. So my beautiful people, my beloved people, now that one be the latest story made dey on ground right now, because Regina Daniel matter e no go ever finish for social media. Now so e go dey continue, dey produce, dey give birth for social media all time to time, my beloved people. But my prayer to God that God will strengthen her to bear. That is it, my country people, my beloved people. So right now I have to stop this video here. If you are new here to this YouTube channel, please consider to press that red button down there below and also press the notification bell so you will be the first somebody to be notified anytime, any day I'll upload a new video here in this channel. Like this video, leave your comment down there below. So for the now, bye for the now. Okay, I'll see you on my next video. Cheers.